Alright, cool. Alright, cool, bro. Alright, Bry Guy. You got some red wine? Alright, let's fucking go, my guy. I know, dude. I know. Here we go. Chat, shout out to my guy, Bry Guy. He always motherfucking gives the best gives. Hey, Ryan! What up, brother? Rye Guy and Bry Guy. Two of the most hospitable. Is that a word? Hospitable? Chat, is that a word? Hospitable? Chaps on this side of the Mississippi. Same with Cody. Don't forget about my guy, Cody. Alright. Alright, well, I am. Relax. Here we go. Hospital is a word. How's everyone doing? What up, Space? What up, everyone? Alright, here we go. Unboxing. How do we do this? Do we just stick a hand in there and dive in? Whoa. Wait, what? This is a case. This is not, there's no way there's 6 in here. Yeah, this is Is it blasphemy to open this? It's already been opened. This is a case. Bry Guy. I think it's been opened. If seal is broken, package, it's been opened. All right. Oh my God! Oh my God! Wait, are these the enhanced? Chat, there's 2 versions. Chat. There's 2 versions of booster boxes. There's an enhanced version and there's a non-enhanced version. The enhanced has a special promo card. If it says +1, it's enhanced. Fucking pray, chat. You're an animal, Bry Guy. Rye Guy, Code Guy, Dave Guy. Hold on, let me put this cam over here. Alright. Son of a bitch! We got the motherfucking enhanced! Chat! Includes special illustration promo. If they all say that, I'm gonna fucking cream. I'm sorry, I might. Oh my God. Chat, we're not even done. This is just one thing. They all have that. They all have that. Baby Goku, what up? Oh, you guys get it. It says that. So I got 5 boosters. It looks like they all fucking have that.
Let's go, brother!
Chat, we are 5 or 4 away from 1,000 followers. So hit that follow button. They're all enhanced. Hi, Tony Nafani. All right, next up. Oh my God. I'm pumped about that. I kind of wish they just gave me a full case. I'm not gonna lie. Like you are 1 away from giving me a fucking full case. I wouldn't even opened it. All right, next up. We have bundles. Greedy something? No! What do you mean greedy? What do you mean? We have booster bundles. We have only 3. So they gave me 3 booster boxes. Or sorry, 5 booster boxes and 3 booster bundles. Only 3? Yeah. It's the least they've given me. Next up. Oh, what is this? That's cool. This is cool. What a fucking haul, brother. Dude, you're a haul, brother. Look at this shit! That is so cool, dude. Brian, I appreciate you stopping by, dude. I knew you would want to see this. As soon as I got it in, I was like, you know what? Brian will probably want to watch this. So we got that blister. 2 more items. 2 more items. Wow. Whoa.
Ho ho! Yo! This Dacian box!
Chat! Chat! Oh, that goes so hard. That goes so fucking hard. Just like this song. This song slaps, chat. Yo, okay. Last but not least. Also, shout out to Diana. Chat, can we get some W's for Diana for packaging this? W's for Diana. Doesn't want to focus, but 3 ETBs. Not quite the Pokemon Center ones, but we'll take it. Fuck yeah! Yeah! I'm pretty stoked for this. I do like the promo a lot. Hell yeah, brother. See the promo? It's very cool. Yeah. I would say, honestly, pretty good haul. Chat. Ugh. Right? What do you think? Chat, W's for that? Journey together. I'll show you guys a full image of everything. Ocean Man. I'll show you all the whole set. What we got. And then the blister and that. Boom. We're not gonna replay this. Alright. Oops. Where'd that cam go? This cam? There it is. There it is. I wish it did. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little salty that we didn't get that 6-1 for the case. So the OCD, the only product we didn't get from Alliance were the sleeved booster packs. That was the only item we didn't get. I ordered 2 boxes. Supposed to be 133 packs in them, but I guess they didn't have them.